Hello, good afternoon. This is the car that we... Okay, how you doing? So the keys are inside?
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good. Let me get it unlocked for you, okay? How you doing, man? Uh-huh.
And I was supposed to get our...
The luggage?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oops.
Thank you.
All right. Yes, sir. No problem.
Can you just get
Yeah.
just make the note to her?
Yeah,
that
definitely.
Way she can get reambushed.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Because
I
think
can.
you said it was $60.
60. Yes. Yeah, not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. My pleasure. Have a good trip. ¿Iba a pagar con tarjeta o...?
No, ¿cómo te vuelta de dinero?
Ah, sí.
Híjole, que no me vaya a faltar porque no viene preparada, pero...
Sí.
Y luego fui a pagar el agua, querían 75, y le dije, no me traigo 50,
Well, you know what, ma'am? I'm gonna do this one on me, okay? You don't have to pay me for this one.
No,
No.
de ninguna manera.
No. It's on me. I was nearby. Y pues si puedo ayudarla porque me dijo que pues, tenía un día no tan bonito, ¿verdad?
No, mira, déjame, te voy a dar...
No, claro que no. No, yo sí, por eso no se preocupe, ma'am. Yo venía aquí cerquita. Está bien así. No quiero tomarle yo nada. Está bien, okay? No problem.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You know, it happens. We got so many things going on in our life sometimes that we forget stuff like this, you know, the keys.
I feel bad with me. I have the money, I just me fui a pagar.
Sí, no, ma'am, no, it's okay. Let me give you my card if you ever need anything, okay? Here you go, ma'am. Have a good day, okay? God bless you. Bye-bye.